This is a 1976 Triumph Bonneville T140 750cc. It's a project barn find, but the good news is it does turn over. Feels alright, as if there's some compression there anyway. The brakes don't work, they're locked. I have rocked my way through the gears. It was a bit stiff, but we got there. There's twin carbs. There's a bit of pitted rust on it. A lot of clean up. Disc brake on the back, disc brake on the front. That's not a bad project, believe me, I've seen a lot worse. In fact, I got a few. There we go.